Hello folks, today what you see behind me here, we're going to do a complete teardown of a Polaris Sportsman 800 2008 model. Let's take a walk around. We had a customer bring this in a few days ago. They had rolled it down a hill and smashed it all up. He wanted us to check it out, see if it could be salvageable, and it is not. It's pretty beat up. So what we're going to do is dismantle it completely and salvage whatever parts we can from this machine. So let's get to work, see what happens. right, so there you have it. Completely tore down. Got a big old pile of parts there to put away. And just a skeleton of a Sportsman 800 left. Glad I don't have to put this thing back together. It might be here a month. So this is all shot in one day. I got about 5 hours into this thing, but a lot more time left putting all the parts away and cleaning this mess up. All right, thanks for watching. Catch you next time.